When you go through Mom's jewelry box, besides determining what pieces have emotional value to you, it can be a challenge to determine what pieces have monetary value. Some women enjoy jewelry and have acquired many valuable pieces over the years. You may have found receipts or appraisals for some of Mom's jewelry. You may think that your mother didn't have any good jewelry. Don't make the mistake of assuming that she had nothing of value in her jewelry box. She may have pieces she didn't wear because she knew they were valuable and feared losing them. There may also be pieces of value that were passed on to her from her mother. It is important that you take the time to look at the jewelry carefully. A strong magnifying glass is helpful. Gold and silver is usually marked unless it is very old. Occasionally, a piece can be so worn that the markings on it are no longer visible. When you sort through the jewelry, I recommend sorting it into piles. Costume jewelry would be a pile. Gold, silver, pearls, and gemstones would be another pile. And make a pile for what you're not sure about. Those pieces should be checked by a reputable professional who can distinguish between costume and quality jewelry. A jeweler can also assign values and appraise pieces of quality jewelry for you. Understand that appraised value and resale value are two different things. If you are interested in selling jewelry, you have several options. Gold and silver jewelry is usually sold by weight. If you have quality pieces such as cultured or natural pearls, gemstones, or diamonds, you can consign them with a reputable jeweler. These pieces are considered estate jewelry, which simply means they have been previously owned. The jeweler will place the pieces in a display case with other estate jewelry. When the item is sold, they will take a percentage of the sale and pay the remainder to you. This will net you more money than if you sold it for weight, but it does take longer. Understand that if the jewelry is not real gold or silver, it can still have value. Older rhinestone pieces, necklaces, earrings, pins, and bracelets are considered very collectible. Antique jewelry is also highly collectible. When examining costume jewelry, you want to look for designer names, which are more desirable. Consignment shops are a good outlet for these types of pieces. As with anything, the value depends on the condition. Don't forget Dad's jewelry box, or it might be that Dad kept his things in a nightstand or a dresser drawer. Dads have things of value too. Rings, cufflinks, pins, tie clasps, pen or pocket knives, and lighters. Dads can also have items that have been passed down from their fathers. Things like pocket watches, which may be made by companies like Hamilton, Winchester, or others. If you don't know what you have, talk to someone who does.